Do humans really use only 10% of their brains? Welcome to this explainer, where today we're tackling the ultimate 10% brain myth. It's a claim you've probably heard a million times, right? From sci-fi movies to self-help books, they all promise these crazy superhuman powers if we could just somehow unlock the rest of our minds. But that classic pie chart showing 90% of our brain just sitting there completely dormant? Well, it is a massive myth. It's totally unsupported by modern neuroscience. So let's jump into section 1, the origins of the error. Where did this even come from? Basically, it all started with some serious misunderstandings of early neuroscience. Throw in some misinterpretations of quotes from psychologist William James, and boom, popular media just ran with it and wildly exaggerated the whole thing. Moving right along to section 2, the truth in the scans. When we look at actual brain imaging techniques today, like fMRI and PET scans, they reveal a completely different reality. There's constant activity across so many different brain regions throughout your entire day. Honestly, even when you're fast asleep, your brain is still lighting up. Almost every single region up there has a known identified role. We're talking about areas dedicated to absolutely crucial functions, everything from language and memory to your movement and vision. Which brings us to section 3, everyday actions, whole brain. Just think about your simple everyday actions for a second. Speaking to a friend, walking down the street, reading an article, or even just trying to remember a name. These things definitely aren't happening in just a tiny 10% fraction of your head. Instead, these activities rely on a bunch of different parts of the brain working together seamlessly. And sure, not every single region is equally active at every exact millisecond, but nearly all parts of the brain have known active functions. Let's dive into section 4, injuries and neuroplasticity. Think about it like this. If we really only use 10%, minor head injuries wouldn't be a big deal at all, right? But reality shows us that damage to even tiny specific brain areas produces very noticeable impairments. Our actual real-life superpower is neuroplasticity. You see, we don't learn by suddenly unlocking some empty, unused space. We learn because our fully active brain is constantly adapting, rewiring itself, and forming brand new connections. And that leads us to section 5, our awe-inspiring conclusion. When we look closely at modern research by experts like Barry Beierstein and Eric Kandel, the old myth just completely falls apart. Because this is all backed by rigorous modern neuroscience, and honestly, it leaves us with a much cooler reality to walk away with today. The amazing truth isn't that we use only 10% of our brains, it's that your brain is working almost constantly to keep you alive, thinking, learning, and adapting.